What's up, YouTube? Today we're gonna be changing the serpentine belt on the Trailblazer. When we were removing the alternator, we noticed that this belt was pretty old and messed up already. See some of it right there, and there's a lot of cracking on it. So this is what we picked up from AutoZone. It should fit. So get a 15, and let's see if I can put the light down there. On this pulley right here. Oh, and there's also the routing right there, just in case if you forget how the pulley goes. It's on the fan shroud. So put the light right here. See if I can take it off. Then you pull it off of the alternator up here while you're cranking it down, and then you just let it go back up. It's gonna go a little higher than what it was. You just remove it from all the other pulleys. I don't know how well you can see. It's pretty dark out here. Belt. You can see the cracks, and it was actually chirping already. Some of this coming out on the sides. Might even be the original belt. So I kind of just put them side by side and I pulled on them just to make sure they were the same length, and they are. So let me route it off of camera and then I'll put you guys back on. Okay, well that's it. We got it in and it fits how it should. There's the power steering pulley down there and the alternator up here. Don't mind those loose bolts. I'm still working on that. Then there's the fan, water pump pulley right there. The harmonic balancer all the way down there, the rusty looking one. And then the tensioner. And I've heard about these tensioners chirping a lot, well, on these vehicles. So we might get to that tensioner if it still chirps, but I'm pretty sure it was the belt chirping, not the tensioner. So everything is pretty good. Just make sure that the belt is lined up how it should be, so there won't be any weird noises or anything. And that's it. This is the part number for the Continental one. They didn't have the gates and I kind of didn't want to wait on it, so I just got that. There was $36.67 at AutoZone. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Follow us on Instagram at Yonke_OXC Films. I hope you guys like this quick little video, and we'll catch you in the next one.